Okay, just kind of dirty. So, okay. So I'm going to start with the red, and I'm going to use the long edge, that papa. And I'm going to start real light because I don't want to mess up. And then I can always, you know, come around once I have my form. And really what I should have done and what I would is to do it with my fingers first to see where it's going to go before I start the drawing. It really makes a difference, a little technique. Okay, so there's my red, and then I'm going to come in with yellow. And this is where the magic kind of, and I do press harder with yellow because, you know, it's yellow. And there's my oranges happening. And you can, you know, maybe you're doing this with me right now. If you have your block crayons out. And then the blue. So see, we're only using the primary colors, but, you know, they're all going to come out. Actually, I'm going to add a little bit more yellow. So I have a good, this is one of my favorite is when the green comes out against the yellow. It's really pretty. Okay. So I'm going to come around with the blue. Carefully. The other thing with block crayons, you'll notice that they need to be cleaned. So like the yellow can get really dirty, and that's another frustrating thing that can happen when you go to draw and you get a red line. Like if there's red, you'll see like my dirty, yeah. So then it'll make a red line where I didn't want one. And so to try to, and by cleaning them, you can just on a piece of scrap paper just rub it out. Similarly, to get your edges, sometimes just doing that. Okay, so then I'm going to end, I'll come around with a little bit more blue. And I did this with my kids. They were 7. And I let them do a couple practice, you know, before they did it in a book. But this was one of the things we did to get them to play with the block crayons. I would say to wait, you know, if your kids are ready, or if they want to, if you do this in front of them, they will probably want to try it too. And then it's, you know. And when you're working with your kids, modeling it is really the best way to teach them. I like to come through and just kind of bring out some of the colors. This is when I'll come over and go darker, you know. It's not, you know, it's not the most amazing rainbow you ever seen, but it's a rainbow. And it blends those pretty colors so nicely. So there's the rainbow. Could even make like a green, you know, kind of thing down here. And yeah. So that's my block crayon tutorial. If you have questions, I know maybe it's a lot, I don't know. Hopefully I covered everything that will help you to get started. But if there's questions, let me know. I'm happy to talk about it, and I hope you enjoy it, using them and find some value in them that then can be shared with your kids. All right, thanks.